What's up guys, it's Kurt from Theme Park Today. Just checked into Dockside for the first time ever. I'm super excited. Let me give you a room tour of the room I'm staying in. Okay, so front door right behind me. So right here, standing in the front, we have a little space for your things. I haven't even unpacked. We have a mirror. Ew. We have hooks for whatever you need hooks for. There's no lights in this room. I did struggle to turn the lights on. So this light switch up here, they give you this nice little key card. Because without that, never mind, the lights should have turned off, but they did not. Okay, well, we're learning this together. Anyways, this light switch controls this entire front section. So if you want these bathroom lights on, it's that one. The more you know. Because I was not even going to tell you what I was doing because it's embarrassing. Anyways, here's a sink. You have your towels. You have your tissues. You have your hairdryer in the wall. It's nice that it's not taking up counter or storage space. You have your soap. More towels, this mirror, honestly with great lighting. And then you have your bathroom. She's a standard bathroom. Glass showers. Was not expecting glass door showers, that's fine. Something else that's a little bit different is the temperature is on the opposite side from the shower head. Fun touch, you have your clothesline here to hang your wet swimsuits or towels. You know what, maybe that hooks on the mirror are maybe for your towels because there's no towel rack. Well, there's that one, I guess, on the door, but other than that, there's like no hooks or towel things for your towels. So maybe just put them there if you're more than one person. Behind these nice little curtains is the closet. Guys, I really need coffee. That's what's happening, so forgive me. Safe. This thing that's in every hotel room that I have no idea what it is. Ironing board and iron with a bunch of hangers. Very nice. That's the entire entryway to the room. Now into the main part, you have your two beds that are quite large. I have not sat or laid down on them yet, so we'll see. There are only 4 pillows for 2 beds. There's 2 pillows in each bed. I'm a 2-pillow sleeper, so I will be putting all 4 pillows on one bed. If you are more people, you might want to ask room service if maybe you can have more, or there are extra beddings and there's like one extra little pillow up here that you can maybe use from. Oh, thermostat is right here. Okay, beds, they look comfy. They have this little lamp. Cute. Kind of like a little reading lamp. That's nice. I do like that it's above the bed, so you don't have to like reach over to the nightstand and like finagle with things to turn it off. You can just like reach up and turn it off and go to bed. I love that little feature. I also love the fact that they have USB ports here. And, oh, I don't know what that is. I thought that was a USB-C, but it's not. But anyways, I like that they have a variation of outlets. My previous hotel that I stayed at on this trip did not. So I was using a lot of my own devices. Second bed looks exactly the same. I'm not going to show you the view because it's terrible. I'm only on the second floor. If you're on the second floor interfacing room, I guess I will show you. This is your view. There's not much, just a giant concrete thing that reflects the sunlight. So when it's sunny, like it is like today, like it is most days in Florida, that's just going to be blinding in your room. You have this lamp, this cute little chair. Then you have all this storage space. You have a little stool, so you can work, write, do whatever you want. They give you some information here, checkout information, dining information, pizza in-room delivery. You have your phone. Over here you have your ice box with some cups. You have a Cuisine Art coffee maker and some coffee with some more cups. And A napkin. Condiments. What kind of condiments? Let's find out together. What is this? Sugar? Oh, non-dairy no, sugar. Okay, you have sugar, sugar substitute, non-dairy creamer, swizzle sticks, and napkins. Very nice. That's all in the little condiment package. Oh, you have more things over here. Love that. That sounds like a little circuit breaker too. Very nice. Oh, there's lights up here. How do you turn those on? Oh, light up there. How do you... Oh, there's another one. Another one, thank you. Wait, how do you turn all these lights on? Genuinely, I don't know. This cord for this lamp looks plugged into this desk. Oh, okay, well, that's how you turn that on. Convenient. How do you turn that light on? That's the only other light in here. Is it this? Is it not a circuit thing? No, it's a, oh my God, not a circuit breaker. What is it called? Ah, safety thing. Whatever. Guess I'm never turning that light on because I don't know how to turn it on. There's no other light switches in here. All right, well, that's the room. Let's do the bed test. One other important thing, storage space under the bed is very helpful. Okay, let's bed test this. We ready? Oh, last time I did this in Tokyo, it kind of hurt. I'm a little scared. Oh, it's softer. Okay, ready? Ooh. It's actually very comfortable. She's soft. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. This is gonna be, she's gonna sleep good. She's gonna sleep good. Good night, everybody. Sweet dreams. That's all. That's my room at Dockside Inn, Endless Summer at Universal. Subscribe, like, follow along, and follow us on Instagram at Theme Park Today. Bye. I'm gonna go to sleep now.